Well, what was going on with your shower beforehand?
We had a really bad mold problem. It was a mildew growing in the grout, and I tried to regrout it, and the tiles came off, and we found mold behind the tiles, and I knew that was just beyond my capabilities.
Gotcha. And what did Ridgeline do to fix your problem?
So Ridgeline, they came in and they ripped out all the tile in the entire tub, and they put a new stand and walk-in shower in it. And they treated the mold. The mold, I asked the builder guys, how bad it was. He said it was really bad, but it was just on the tile, and it wasn't really on behind it, on the wall or anything. So that's good. So we ripped out all that tile where that mold is and treated that mold and put it in the shower.
Gotcha. And then finally, if a friend or family asked you about Ridgeline, how would you recommend them?
Yeah. I would definitely recommend them. Did an excellent job. And I like that it was done in one day, and they came in and they put the plastic down so it didn't mess up the carpet, and they did their thing. So yeah, I would definitely recommend.
Awesome.